Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. You're watching Rome Tips, and today we're diving into GameMaker Studio 2, a powerful and versatile mobile app development platform perfect for bringing your 2D game ideas to life. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, GameMaker Studio 2 has something to offer. Links to the platform and helpful resources are in the description below. GameMaker Studio 2 is known for its intuitive user interface and robust feature set, making it a popular choice for indie developers, hobbyists, and even small to medium-sized studios. Its drag-and-drop (D&D) functionality empowers even those with no coding experience to create fully functional games. For those comfortable with coding, GameMaker Language, GML, a powerful scripting language, allows for complex game logic and mechanics. This dual approach ensures accessibility for beginners while offering advanced tools for seasoned developers. Cross-platform development is a major strength of GameMaker Studio 2. Develop your game once and deploy it across multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, desktop, and even consoles, all from a single code base. The integrated asset store is a valuable resource, providing ready-to-use sprites, animations, and templates that can jumpstart your projects or enhance existing ones. Performance is key, especially in mobile gaming, and GameMaker Studio 2 excels in this area. Its clean and efficient engine ensures smooth gameplay across a variety of devices, helping you retain players. Monetization features, such as ad integration and in-app purchases, are also built in, providing a comprehensive solution for developers looking to generate revenue from their games. GameMaker Studio 2 prioritizes ease of use. From its intuitive user interface to its comprehensive tutorials and a vibrant community forum, you'll find plenty of support. Whether you're prototyping a new game or polishing your final product for release, GameMaker Studio 2 provides the resources you need to succeed. While it's not designed for 3D game development, its focus on 2D allows it to excel in that domain. To summarize, GameMaker Studio 2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create high-quality 2D games efficiently, without the complexity of some other game engines. If you're serious about mobile game development, GameMaker Studio 2 offers a compelling blend of simplicity, power, and scalability. Check it out using the links in the description below and start building your next gaming masterpiece.